In this quick guide, you'll learn how to build a Tableau marketing analytics dashboard. Tableau is a powerful tool that can help you visualize your marketing data in ways that are both insightful and actionable. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or just getting started with data visualization, creating a marketing analytics dashboard in Tableau can be a game changer for your business insights. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to tableau.com. This is where the magic begins. If you don't have a Tableau account yet, you can sign up for a free trial, which will give you access to all the features you need to create your dashboard. Once you're on the site, you'll find a clean and straightforward interface that makes it easy to navigate. Next, click on the Home tab. This will take you to your main dashboard area within Tableau. From here, you can manage your projects and access different features. The Home tab acts as your central hub, offering you a comprehensive overview and the ability to quickly jump into different projects or start new ones. Now look for the section labeled Accelerators, and within that, click on Salesforce. Accelerators are pre-built templates designed to help you get started quickly with your data visualizations. By selecting Salesforce, you're choosing a template that's optimized for integrating Salesforce data, which is particularly useful if your marketing efforts are tracked using Salesforce tools. Even if you're using another CRM, these templates can often be adapted to suit your needs. With the Salesforce Accelerator selected, you'll see a variety of templates to choose from. Browse through the options and pick one that aligns best with your goals. Once you've found the right template, click Use Dashboard. This is where your creativity and analytical skills come into play. The selected template opens up in Tableau, allowing you to begin customizing it with your data. As you start using the dashboard, consider the specific marketing metrics you want to track. These might include campaign performance, lead conversion rates, or ROI on your marketing spend. The beauty of Tableau is that it allows you to tailor these templates to reflect the exact data points that are most important to your organization. You can drag and drop data fields, apply filters, and even use Tableau's powerful visualization tools to create graphs and charts that bring your data to life. Remember that a well-constructed dashboard isn't just about aesthetics. It's about delivering insights that can drive decisions. Take your time to organize the information in a way that tells a compelling story. You might want to group related metrics together or use color coding to highlight key trends. Finally, once your dashboard is set up, don't forget to save your work. You can also share your dashboard with colleagues or export it for presentations. Tableau offers a range of options for sharing and exporting, ensuring that your insights are accessible to those who need them. And there you have it. You've just built a marketing analytics dashboard in Tableau. By following these steps, you're now equipped with a powerful tool that can help you make data-driven decisions and optimize your marketing strategies. Happy analyzing.